everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer accounts within Salesforce, as well as how to, on the back end, for admins to transfer multiple of these different accounts. So first of all, let's go ahead and hop into accounts. And one way that we are able to do this is by coming over here. Click the down caret next to the account that you would like to transfer. Click change owner, search and select which person you want to be the new owner, and then select all these different options. If you want to transfer open opportunities, transfer the account owner's closed opportunities that are related to the account, transfer over the open cases, transfer all of the account owner's cases, and then also send a notification email. I am going to select all of these because they're all good options. When you're transferring account owners, oftentimes the person who was the previous account owner is leaving the company for some reason, or they're doing a new job, and so they won't be able to work on those previous records. So that is my little spiel about it. And if there's a different scenario, then you can just use your judgment to figure out which ones are good to use in what circumstance. I always like sending a notification email just so then that person is aware that they inherited this account. I'm going to hit submit. And you can see that the account owner alias on this top one has been changed. All right, another way to do this, you can go into Burlington Textiles, which is the account that I want to transfer. You can come over here to the caret and then click change owner. That's one way, as well as if you go to the details, you can see over here we can do it inline where my name is. There's a little person icon with a little arrow. You can go ahead and change it that way. Again, you don't have to choose the person that's just in that drop-down list. That's the most recent people that I've selected in this org. If you're wanting to try someone new, or if you're wanting to send it to someone new, then you can go ahead and search for them there. I'm going to select change owner. And if you're not able to do this, then you might not have the appropriate access to do this within your org. I would check in with the admin to see if they're able to do that, or your manager. If they're within Salesforce, they'll probably have access to do that. It is a special permission that's not granted to everyone. All right, I'm going to go to setup, and I'm going to show you how admins can do this on a mass scale for accounts. So I'm going to search for transfer, mass transfer records, and then the very first one is going to be transfer accounts. Then you're going to choose who you're going to transfer it from and then to. So I'm going to transfer it from myself to Jane Doe. Who's the other person? Again, that's where you can search. And then this is also going to ask you the same questions. I'm going to check all of these. I am going to select, let's find the account owner alias. It's equal to, I know mine is eCall. I'm going to find those ones that have my alias that are owned by me. I just want to transfer all of my accounts over to Jane Doe. Again, like in that scenario I mentioned previously where I am leaving the company and I want to transfer it to the person who's staying there, or the admin can do this as well. Or this is more of an admin task, I should say. You can enter in more criteria if that's what you need. So let's say you only wanted to move over any direct customers, or you only wanted to move over direct and blank customers. You are also able to do that. I would come over here, I would select the type, and then I would select what the pick list value was. I am going to select all of these and then hit transfer. All right, and it says 9 accounts are transferred, so I no longer have any accounts in my name in this org. But that is a how to transfer accounts if you are a user, and then also on the admin side, how to mass transfer accounts. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're feeling generous. You can check out the Salesforce courses down below or over on salesforceupskill.com. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.